Hello students, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about the conditions which are required, which are necessary to carry out the process of photosynthesis. As we all know that we are talking about class 7 science first chapter nutrition in plants. Okay, so let's start. Photosynthesis is the process of converging the light energy into the chemical energy to form the food in the form of glucose molecule, right? This is why whole plant world is called as the producers और उन पे पूरी दुनिया डिपेंड है खाने के लिए. So let's start. Let's see how these plants are making their food और वो ऐसी कौन सी चीजें यूज करते हैं जिससे वो फूड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. In previous session, in introductory part, we have discussed that they need carbon dioxide, they need chlorophyll molecules, they need water, and they need sunlight. Right? So let's start. First, we will talk about the carbon dioxide. Where does the carbon dioxide present? It is present in the atmosphere around the earth. Right? अभी वो एटमॉस्फेयर से प्लांट के अंदर कैसे जाता है? Isn't it? They do not have nose to breathe in. Then how does this carbon dioxide enter inside the leaf? See, they have a tiny pores. Leaves have a tiny pore or many tiny pores which are present on the dorsal and ventral side of the leaf. जो लीफ होता है उसके ऊपर और नीचे दोनों साइड में ऐसे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे पोर्स होते हैं. वो माइक्रोस्कोपिक होते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? वो माइक्रोस्कोपिक होते हैं, मतलब वी कैन नॉट सी देम बाय द नेकेड आईज. आपने लीफ को कितना भी अच्छे से ऐसे वैसे लाइट के अगेंस्ट पकड़ा तो आप उसे नहीं देख पाओगे. एंड दैट टाइनी पोर्स आर कॉल्ड एज स्टोमेटा. क्या कहते हैं इसे? स्टोमेटा. राइट? These stomata are embedded in the epidermis, मतलब outer layer of the leaf. वो होते कैसे? Suppose this is the part of the plant cell. जो हमने plant की जो leaf cell है वो निकाली है, outer layer. So how it will occur to you? आप उसमें ऐसे छोटे छोटे circular patches note down करोगे, right? ये note down करोगे. What that is? That is not the these three. I'm just telling you diagrammatically. These are the feature which is representing the stomata. These stomata are embedded with the guard cells, right? Guard cells. Sometimes these guard cells are open, sometimes these are closed. Okay. Suppose there is only one slit at some time. These are called as the guard cell and the hole which is called as stomatal opening or stomatal pore. Right? ये जो दोनों है, these are open stomata. And this one which I have shown, which is not having such a hole, you can notice here, ऐसा opening है, ऐसा hole नहीं है, यहाँ पे just एक slit है. This is representing the closed stomata. Right? अभी ये जो opening और closing of the stomata है, ये कौन decide करता है? It is decided by the guard cell. Right? It is decided by the guard cell. How? When the air current pass through the stomata, that time the moisture from that air is absorbed by the guard cells. Right? जब stomata closed होती है and when air is trying to move inside, that time that moisture is absorbed by the guard cells and they become turgid or bulgy in size. So उनका जो फॉर्म है वो ऐसे हो जाता है, कर्वेचर फॉर्म होता है और बीच में वो जो हॉलो क्रिएट होता है, ये जो दिख रहा है आपको, उसमें से हवा अंदर जाती है. From that air leaves taking only carbon dioxide because they need only carbon dioxide and rest of air is thrown out of these stomatal aperture or stomatal opening or stomatal pore only. इसी से वो बाहर जाता है. Even in the case of respiration of the plant, the carbon dioxide is also thrown out of the plant body through the stomata. Clear? अभी when there is no absorption of the air, that when there is no photosynthesis, that time the water molecules are released by the guard cells and that shrinks. And as it shrinks, तो वो जो कर्वेचर फॉर्म होता है बल्जीनेस की वजह से वो धीरे 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 क्या हो जाता है, श्रिंक हो जाता है. और ये जो एपर्चर है वो भी क्लोज हो जाता है. सो व्हेन यू विल नोटिस दिस टाइप ऑफ गार्ड सेल, देन इट इज क्लोज स्टोमेटा. व्हेन यू विल नोटिस हियर इट इज ओपनिंग और a pore is there, that is called as the open stomata. And through this carbon dioxide enters inside the leaf. Understand? See, this is the opening through which exchange of the gases, no matter it is carbon dioxide or it is oxygen, the exchange of gases takes place. So this is how plants are taking carbon dioxide from the atmosphere for the process of photosynthesis. Do you understand? If you do not understand, please listen it again, or while you are listening the video, listen it again. Then we'll move towards the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll molecules or chlorophyll pigments are present everywhere in the leaf surface. When plant is very delicate, देखो plant जब grow होता है ना, जब grow होता है तो वो पूरा stem से लेके, मतलब stem से लेके leaves तक पूरा ये जो portion होता है वो green होता है. Right? It is green in color. क्यों? क्योंकि पूरे पार्ट में क्या होता है, क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट होता है. क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट क्यों होता है पहले स्टेम में? ताकि जब प्लांट अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ डेवलपमेंट में हो या यंग हो, सीडलिंग हो, इट नीड्स मोर फूड टू ग्रो. राइट? सो मैक्सिमम एरिया ऑफ द प्लांट इज बीन यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. और ये तभी हो सकता है जब वो पूरे पार्ट्स में क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट हो. इसलिए ये जो पूरा स्टेम है, उनके पेटियोल्स है, लीव्स है, एवरीवेयर क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट. These chlorophyll pigments containing chloroplast. What do they contain? Chloroplast. They are present in the form of the stack of the granules. अभी coins होते हैं, coins को अगर हम एक के ऊपर एक रखने के बाद जो कैसा दिखेगा आपको, उसका appearance, you have 4-5 coins and that you have kept one above other. So in that form, that is called as a stack. In that form, chloroplasts are present inside the chlorophyll, which is trapping the sunlight actually. So ये जो sunlight है, ये जो light energy है, इसको ये किसमें कन्वर्ट करते हैं? केमिकल एनर्जी. किसमें? केमिकल एनर्जी. When the plants grows and mature, that time you will notice that the stem or the trunk or the petiole or the branches are not green in color. Only leaves are there in green color. क्यों? क्योंकि तब तक number of leaves which have grown on that plant, that tree, that any type of plant ले लो, climber, herb, shrub, creeper, कोई भी ले लो, उसमें उतने लीव्स आ जाते हैं कि जितना सफिशिएंट है उतना फूड दे कैन प्रोड्यूस विद द हेल्प ऑफ लीव्स ओनली. अंडरस्टैंड? सो मैक्सिमम वी आर यूज्ड टू सी दैट ओनली द एरियल पार्ट, जो कैनोपी होती है, लीव्स पार्ट जो होता है, दैट इज ओनली ग्रीन इन कलर. क्लियर? सो इफ क्लोरोफिल इज नॉट प्रेजेंट, कितना भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हो, कितनी भी सनलाइट हो, उसको ट्रैप करने वाला ही नहीं है, तो फोटोसिंथेसिस हो ही नहीं सकता. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट in that chloroplast is extremely essential to trap the sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Okay? Then water, सबसे important. अभी water कहाँ से मिलता है? You know that suppose this is the aerial part of the plant, this is ground level, and there are roots. Okay, these roots are surrounded with the soil particles, right? And all these soil particles are having a thin layer of water molecule around them. Thin layer of water molecule. When root along with the root hairs come in contact with the water molecules which have coated above the soil particles, that is being absorbed into the root through root hairs, right, by the process of diffusion. अभी ये डिफ्यूजन क्या है? एक्चुअली ये आपके सिलेबस में है नहीं, बट दिस इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स फ्रॉम इट्स हायर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टू द लोअर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. ठीक है, वैसे सॉइल पार्टिकल्स में वाटर मॉलिक्यूल का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज्यादा है, रूट्स में वो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम है, तो ऑफ कोर्स ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल जो वो कहाँ पे जाएंगे? वो जाएंगे रूट्स के अंदर. ओके, नाउ root has a special pipe-like structure starting from the root to the all part of the plant, जिसे कहते हैं xylem. क्या कहते हैं हम? Xylem, right? It is a pipe-like structure. Pipe-like, which act as the pipe starting from the root to the all part of the plant including leaves. लीफ के टिप तक, रूट के टिप से लेके लीफ के टिप तक ये जो पाइपलाइंस है वो कनेक्टेड होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि टू प्रोवाइड द water to the plant. Along with water there are many minerals. क्या होता है? Minerals which are present in the soil in dissolved form. Soil में ये जो water particles होते हैं, इनमें dissolved form में क्या होते हैं? Minerals like nitrogen is there, phosphorus is there, potassium is there. ये सारे minerals plant की growth के लिए जरूरी होते हैं. जैसे nitrogen is essential for the production of protein molecules and protein is essential for the development and the growth of plant. Clear? So along with the water, the minerals are also absorbed by the roots through the root hairs to the all parts of the plant. Okay, so in this way water is getting available for the plants for the process of photosynthesis. Are you getting my point? So if water is not there, आप सोच सकते हो ये जो चारों है इनमें से किसी भी एक को कट कर दो. The process of photosynthesis will not take place. It will not take place because each of the component is extremely essential to carry out this whole process of photosynthesis. Are you getting? Now, sunlight. From where? Of course, from the sun. आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात बता दूं. सन कितना भी ब्राइट हो या कितना भी डल हो, मतलब क्लाउडी एटमॉस्फेयर कैसा भी हो, जितनी भी सनलाइट किसी प्लांट पे पड़ती है, गिरती है, तो उस पूरे सनलाइट का प्लांट कितना लेता है पता है? हार्डली 1%. मीन्स 100 joule of the light energy has been fall. It will take only 1 joule. 1% only. So from that 1% the whole process begins. Without light energy, the process of photosynthesis is impossible. Even ये तीनों भी है. You have carbon dioxide, you have chlorophyll, you have water, but you don't have sunlight. It's not possible. Try करके देखो. कोई पॉटेड प्लांट होगा छोटा सा, उसको डार्क रूम में रख के देखो, पानी डालो उसको, एटमॉस्फेयर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड तो है ही, राइट, क्लोरोफिल तो उसके लीव्स में है ही, फिर भी वो मुरझा जाएगा, सूख जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि द प्लांट इज नॉट गेटिंग सनलाइट. सो व्हाट? If it is not getting sunlight, it is not carry out the process of photosynthesis. and if it is not able to carry out the process of photosynthesis, the food in the form of glucose molecule is not able to produce, and ultimately the plant starts to dry, and one or the other day it will die. Clear? So all these are very essential factors, very important requirements for the process of photosynthesis. Abhi, this sunlight we are getting from the sun. What did you notice? Didn't you notice that in the whole world, plants are called as producers, क्योंकि वो अकेले ये जो पूरी दुनिया को खाना प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. बट वो किस पे डिपेंड है? वो डिपेंड है सन पे. So what does it mean? It means that sun is the ultimate source of energy for the whole living world. Understand? Sun is the ultimate source, because without sunlight plants cannot do anything. That's why what is important? Sunlight. So sun is the ultimate source of energy for all of us. So in this way we have discussed that what are the requirements, what are the necessities for the process of photosynthesis. In next session we'll talk about the next topic in this chapter. Till that time you read this topic, you write the notes, post me. If you have any doubt, ask me in group or write me in the comment box. Clear? And as usual, I will suggest you take care of yourself, think positive and keep smiling always.